the heat demon, some tech. The package is open. Now I'm going to install these things. I installed one already, so I'm going to let everybody know how I did this. And installed a little control box already. That's pretty basic. That's no problem. There's the wiring. There, that one's in. I had a hell of a time trying to get that one in, but I have found a little trick that works pretty good. And I'm gonna hook my line. I got a accessory adapter, 12 volt. It's like a cigarette lighter. And I am going to tie into the hot line there because it runs off like a relay to my ignition, and it will shut off automatically. Okay, that one's in. She's tight. She doesn't turn. And now I'm going to do the other side. The best way to do that is grab a knife and a beer. We're going to cut this thing right down. Oh, that makes no good. Grab this one. Cut that sucker. There we go. Cut it. There we go. A little bit more. This one's got a thumb warmer on it, so I'm gonna install that too. See, peel that stupid thing. There's no glue in this one. Not like dirt bikes. I think they're all glued on. Oh, around here. Looks like it's in there a bit. There we go. Off. Well, as you can see, it is awfully tight here. There's no possible way you're going to get that in there. It's impossible, and you can't hit these with a hammer because you'll damage the heat things in there. So I got my little sanding tool here. It's a fine. That's still overhead. Right down to the bare metal. Paint adds a little, to take off the thickness a little bit. Okay, she's all right down to the metal. Now I'm going to get a blowgun, or a heat gun. And I'm going to heat that sucker right up. I'll pump in some high heat in there. Get that sucker right hot. Then I'm going to pump some heat into this one here too. In the inside. And it should work. Should slide right in there. Now let's heat that one up. I don't think I want to heat this one up too much since there's elements in there. Okay, I don't want to put too much in there. Blast in there. What I'm going to do, WD-40, I'm going to pump some oil in there. And let's put this thing right in there. I really don't think that's going to do any harm to it. And there it goes, see? Oh, a little tight. I'm going to make it all the way to the end, and it's going. Let's give it a twist. It's still in there nice and tight. Holy crap, that thing's tight. It's going though. More. See, that's still on there pretty good. It's got a good grip hold there. There's the wires, and I'm gonna hook up the wires and put them where they're supposed to be. This one here hooks into your box here, your main control box. And that's your hot wire and your negative. I'll just tap into my cigarette lighter and that should be it. Okay, got a thumb warmer. That's a peeling stick. And that's going to go right down there. Okay, I got a little bit of acetone. I'm going to wipe that before I stick on there. Gotta make sure that's gonna be nice and clean, oil free and dust free and everything free. Okay, and now we're gonna put this thing on there. It's gonna be just that simple, I guess. Hopefully. Tube on there. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna melt that down a bit. It's starting to shrink. Okay, let's find my hot line here. Ground there. And I got my little tester here with which lights up. See that? Right on my cigarette lighter. That's my hot line. I'm gonna tap right into this one right down there. And it should be fine. It's all hooked up, and I'll just mess up the wires inside there and it should be done. Okay, connections are all connected. This one there is going to my cigarette lighter. It's a special type of clamp. And that one there is just screwed right down to the to a ground. A certain type of connector which comes with your kit. And that Polaris key fits in this one here. Interesting. Oh, lights are on. Yeah. And I checked it out already and it heats up pretty good. I guess that's off. Low. 5 levels. And this one is good for just the grips, and this one's for the thumb. Okay, that's it. All hooked up. Working good, nice and warm. And it's all zap strapped there nicely. There, there, there. A little bit of leeway for your lever there. Just don't get hung up on something.